I have here some woman rain boots. So inside here, we got the boots. You can see how nice they are. They are nice and tall boots, and they are really, really thick and high quality. These boots are super nice. You can see the fabric is super, super soft. It's gonna be comfortable to wear. Has a nice sole here, so it's gonna keep your feet nice and dry. You can see the nice traction on the bottom of the shoe, so you're not gonna slip and fall in the rain or mud. So these are gonna be perfect for anyone that has bad weather and needs some really high quality rain boots. I'm gonna show you how easy these rain boots are to slip on. They're nice and big, but they're super easy. Just slip them into place, and they're really comfortable after you get them on. So these boots are super, super comfortable. You can see it covers all up my leg here. So it's gonna keep my leg nice and dry and be comfortable at the same time. And it's super nice. It's gonna be waterproof, so you can walk in like the snow or by the water, not have to worry about issues, or if it's raining, your feet will stay dry. So the boot also has a reinforced rubber shell, which is gonna aid in protecting your foot and keeping it dry and warm. So these rain boots are perfect for in my muddy garden, or if it's raining or snowing. It's going to protect my feet. I really hate coming into my garden area when it's muddy and gross, because I just have small shoes, but these boots go up really high, so it's going to protect my feet, keep them from getting dirty and gross and wet. They're going to stay clean and dry with these boots on. So these boots are also really perfect because they have such great traction. You're not going to slip. I would usually slip and fall as I walk through my garden because it's muddy or slippery, or just my shoes have crappy traction, but these have super good traction. You can see I move my feet around, I'm not slipping. It has the perfect amount of traction you need for your everyday use outside, when you're doing things, or just walking around in bad weather. So I hate going into my chicken coop because it gets my shoes disgusting and it's muddy in here, but I'm gonna have no issue walking into my chicken coop with these rain boots. So because I have no rain going on or any snow, but I want to show you that it's waterproof. I pour water on it. My foot is staying dry. You can see the water just kind of falls off the boot and does not go inside at all. So you can see on the back, it has a nice little loop here to help you pull on your boots or help you get them off if you need to. It has nice thick fabric right here to keep you nice and warm with the boot, and super, super nice rubber at the bottom here to keep the boot dry at all times. On the bottom of the boot here, you can step on your boot with the other boot to help get your boot off. So these women rain boots are really nice. I love that they have the super nice non-slip bottom, so you're not gonna slip and fall. It's gonna keep your feet warm and dry at the same time, so you can do all of your outdoor work or be outside when it's bad weather, and you're not gonna have to worry about your feet being cold or wet.